Kumar, physics faculty. I taught physics in Fiji in a Akas Institute for 14 years. After completing my BTech in 2008 in electronics and communication, I joined Fiji and taught physics to engineering students, CBSE students up to 2011 at Fiji East Delhi Center, South Delhi Center and Dharbad Center. After that, 2011 2013, I worked in Akas Institute at Bhubaneswar Center and Janakpuri Delhi Center. I taught there to medical students. After that, 2013 to 2021, I taught engineering student at Fiji, Kalusarai, South Delhi Center. After that, 2021 to 2022, I taught physics to medical students. Okay, so I have experience of teaching to medical students and engineering students and CBSE students. Okay, all together. Thank you. Hello students, welcome to the channel. Triple IITs are very reputed colleges, and many students opt triple IT in place of some of branches or some IITs also. In place of some IITs, many students prefer to go in triple IT. Okay, so if you have rank between 20,000 to 50,000, what are the options available? Okay, what college, what triple IT you can get, okay, in this rank. For this analysis, you should know the data of last year 2021. Okay, so here we are going to analyze data of 2021, okay, by the help of, so see here the quota is AI, all India quota. All India quota, we are discussing all India quota. After that, seat type, okay, this is open. The open means general, okay. And again here we are discussing OBC also, AC ST also. Okay, in each category there are further two categories are there: general, neutral, and gender neutral, and female only. Okay, that means female only means girls only quota is there. Okay, so we are going to discuss in all triple ITs. Okay, so before moving ahead, I just go in triple IT Gwalior here. Okay, so triple IT Gwalior, you have option. Okay, here to triple IT Gwalior you have integrated BTech IT. In IT you have option. After that, you have triple IT quota, you have option. Okay, last year this is the ranks, or this is the allotment of last year. You can get idea. Triple IT Guwahati, okay. After that, triple IT West Bengal, triple IT Sonipat, Haryana. Okay, triple IT Una, Himachal Pradesh, you have option. You may get this year also. You triple IT Una, Himachal Pradesh, you may get this year. Triple IT Chittur. Okay, what are the available options? I just have closed in blocks, so you can see the data. Triple IT Vadodara, Gwalior, sorry, Triple IT Vadodara, Gujarat, you have option. Okay, after that, Triple IT Kanchipuram, yes, Triple IT Kanchipuram, there is option. Triple IT, okay, Triple IT Kanchipuram. After that, Triple IT Jabalpur, you can check in Triple IT Jabalpur what are the options available. Okay, here is the Triple IT Jabalpur. Yes, these options are available. Okay, you can opt Triple IT Jabalpur. Okay, again here Triple IT Jabalpur, so many options are available. You can opt Triple IT Manipur, you have options. Triple IT Tiruchirappalli, that is in Tamil Nadu, that options are available. You can opt for. Okay, Triple IT Lucknow, you have option. Okay, Triple IT Lucknow, so many options. Triple IT Dharwar, you have option. Triple IT Dharwar, okay, you can opt for. After that, Triple IT Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, you have option. Triple IT Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh, you have option. Again here, Triple IT Kottayam, you can opt. Okay, between 20,000 to 50,000 you have option. IIIT Ranchi you have option here. IIIT Ranchi you can opt. Okay, IIIT Nagpur you have option, you can opt. IIIT okay, IIIT West Bengal, IIIT Bhagalpur, IIIT Bhopal you have option. IIIT, okay, so in last year this is the data of last year. IIIT Surat, Gujarat, IIIT okay, Agartala and Karnataka, IIIT Raichur, Karnataka, IIIT Diu, where it's campus of Vadodara, you have option. Okay, so these are the options. You just note down all the options and fill your counseling form accordingly. Okay, so wish you all the best. Thank you.